I am going to teach you how to get rid of hiccups. And welcome to Vlogtober, day number 3. We're wasting time. Hello Hotties, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack and I am currently a 7th grade math teacher. While you're here, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Do it now please. So this is a very small, simple classroom management tip that really isn't that big of a deal. How many times have you been teaching and one of your lovely darlings has the hiccups? Well, I'm going to share with you a very easy technique to get that student to quit hiccuping and for you to get on with your teaching, and the students will think you're a genius. So I'm ready if you are. So today class, I'm going to talk to you about the real numbers system, starting with the one you are all familiar with, the natural numbers, also known as the counting numbers. You know, the numbers you use to count things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't count starting at 0, do we? Like I was saying, we don't count starting at 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 natural numbers. Then we add on. So you have the hiccups, huh? How about I buy them off you for a dime?
What?
But here's the deal though. You can have this, but you have to give me your hiccups instead.
Are you serious?
So if you hiccup one more time, guess what? This dime belongs to me. Got it? So how's your hiccups?
They're gone.
Okay, so the next set of numbers are the integers. All right, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. I can't tell you to comment the diaphragm emoji because I don't know if there is a diaphragm emoji. I just know that hiccups come from a spasm in your diaphragm. So how about this? Comment below a coin emoji because I did use a dime in this little, I used a dime in this little skit to show you how to get rid of hiccups, but anything tangible will work too. So let's just say a coin. Comment a coin. Okay? You all have the best day ever, and I hope you will join me in tomorrow's Vlogtober as well. See you in my next video. Goodbye. Today, class, we were going to talk about I can do this all day long. What's wrong with me? Okay. Okay, like I was saying, do you mind if I buy them off you for a quarter?
What?
I don't have a quarter. I didn't get a prop.